Hi, my name is Brandon Bogle. I'm an attorney at the Levin Papantonio law firm. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about a surgical device called power morcellators. Well, a power morcellator is a surgical device that's used in uterine fibroid removal surgeries and also in hysterectomies. Basically what the device does is it drills down into tissue and basically cuts or morcellates the tissue and throws it into the uterine cavity. The evidence that's been uncovered and is still developing is showing that there's a very strong association between the use of these devices and what's called the upstaging of unsuspected or undiagnosed uterine cancer. And what upstaging basically means is the patient who's undergoing the fibroid removal surgery or the hysterectomy has no indication and no idea that they have uterine cancer, and neither does their doctor. But by performing the morcellation procedure, they actually chop up this tissue, which is actually cancerous tissue, and throws it into the uterine cavity and sometimes even further, which spreads or upstages that cancer. The FDA was a little slow to act here, but in the last few months they did conduct an advisory committee meeting where there was strong support for a change to the labeling for these products and even some support for removing them from the market. The FDA actually acted on that pretty recently and ordered contraindications for these products and stated pretty strongly that they should not be used for the vast majority of women undergoing fibroid removal or hysterectomy procedures. They're also now contraindicated for folks with known cancer and people who could undergo a different procedure to address the same physical issues. Yeah, I think the advice here is twofold. One is I think it's certainly warranted to go back and speak to the physician who performed the procedure just to check you out and make sure that you don't have any underlying medical issues that need to be addressed. The second thing I would recommend is you should speak to an attorney to sort of get your legal rights evaluated and analyzed to see if there's a claim that should be brought on your behalf. I think that's something you shouldn't sit on and you should certainly address as soon as possible. If you have any questions or concerns about whether a power morcellator was used in a uterine fibroid removal procedure or hysterectomy that you've undergone, please give me a call at 850-435-7043.